Welcome back to VettePros. What we have here today is a 2001 C5 Corvette LS1 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. Engine starts right up. It currently has 109,070 miles on it. Oil pressure right at 40 psi. This is the 350 horsepower LS1 engine. It's currently mated up to a manual transmission. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. Go ahead and roll it. This engine will make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your project. If you have any questions, give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.